Okay, hi, welcome back. This is video number 2, very exciting. It's our update video. So we're just outside the house again. Exterior work won't get done until the spring because it's still winter. But there's been a lot of work done inside, so let's go in and see what it looks like. Remember the old door? Come back in. Come on in. So as you can see, the house has been fully gutted inside. Just to let you know what our plan is for this project is to create 2 legal units out of this house. Each unit having 2 bed and 2 bath. So the first unit will be the basement in this ground floor, and the second will be the second floor and the loft. So that is the plan. We've just got our design drawings finished, which look amazing. We're super excited about it, and we just need to submit them to the city, and then fingers crossed that they go through really quick so we can get our permits, and then we can just get moving on this project. Okay, so here's the plan for the ground floor. So this is the front entryway that we saw when we walked in. This is all going to be blocked off here. So this entryway is going to belong to the second floor unit. This is going to be the entryway that goes into the unit all the way up. So this will be blocked off from the ground floor unit. Over here, you can see this was the door to where the laundry area is, which is an addition. So that addition is coming down. This is going to be the entryway into this unit, and it'll come in from the outside. Big glass door, lots of light flooding in, which will be wonderful. So I'm just going to take you around this floor. We've got 2 doors here, both leading out to an addition as well. All of those additions are going to come off of the back, and that's going to be yard space. So this door is going to get bricked up. This door is going to get bricked up all the way, which is fantastic because our kitchen is going to go against this wall, and then now this kitchen can wrap all the way around, and we can get some nice pantries up and utilize this entire corner. So that gives us a lot of kitchen, which is great. Just take it over here. This also was a washroom, as you remember from last video. That was also an addition. That's coming down as well. What we're going to do here is make a big window, probably starting from here all the way up, and that'll flood light in from the outside into this house and also into the basement, because this is the staircase to the basement. And we need all the light we can get in the basement. Okay, so the living room is going to be over here. Now because this is our entryway, we're going to get a closet right next to it, so you can hang your coats and stuff and make it practical. This is going to be the living room. So what we plan to do is maybe a fireplace right in the middle of the wall. That'll create the focal point for the room. And then you have your seating. Nice big window, get lots of light. So that's about it for that. So this is going to be the entryway into the bedroom. And our bedrooms are going to be down here, but we're also going to squeeze a bathroom in this left corner here. Which will be kind of neat because you can walk into the bedroom, and then there's a separate room also in here for the bathroom. Anyway, it's a little tight, but we're going to make it work. Okay, so now we're in the basement. This is going to be the entry.
Cat got your tongue?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're in the basement. It's pretty gloomy down here. This is the door to the entryway from the exterior. So this is going to be our main source of light down here. Once we get the additions off and put a nice glass door in here, we're going to get light flooding in. So we're very excited about that. Again, these ceilings are going to be raised about 1 foot. So we're going to get a lot more ceiling height. We're going to have a cozy living room, a bathroom, and a bedroom down here. Laundry is going to be over here. Probably some storage. We need storage, maybe a closet right in this nook. And I have to show you this because I'm pretty proud of it. When you start a construction project, one thing you need is a source of water. You need a sink, right? Well, we didn't have anything, and then we went to Home Depot, and we're like, $100, you know. We got really cheap. So anyway, let's show them what you built out from scratch. So we had this old bucket, and Alex had a drain. We cut a hole, put the drain in, gave it legs. He ran the plumbing, little on, off. I just think it's kind of genius, right? Saved us $100 didn't cost a thing. We had a lot of stuff. Anyway, sometimes you just have to get a little creative when you're on a budget. Okay, so now we're on the second floor, so this is going to be the other unit. So this whole space is pretty well going to be open concept. Where you see me standing right now is going to be the main space. So we're going to have the kitchen against this wall, and it can even wrap around a bit right to this window. Living room is going to be here, dining sort of here. Okay, so this is the staircase going up to the loft. We've kind of just left it as it is right now. What we're hoping is to do a spiraled, open, really beautiful open staircase up to the loft. So that would be exposed throughout the whole floor. That'll look really good. We're just hoping the city approves that. And then on this side, we're gonna have a bathroom and the bedroom. Back outside, I think that's pretty well it for our video update.
Yeah, we'll be back next video with hopefully building permits and full-on construction updates. Are you gonna be my deckhand?
I'm always your deckhand, Alex. Alex once told me I'm a very expensive deckhand.
She is the highest paid deckhand there is.
What can you do? Hi, Alex.
What's the garage called, Emily?
It's called the Owl's Nest. So we're just deciding to tear this down. We got a mild day. Our demo crew has come and gone for the inside, so we just thought we'll do this ourselves. So here's our garage. The Owl's Nest is coming down. How easy is it going to come off, Al?
I don't know. It's pretty rotten up here, so hopefully not too bad.
All right. Oh, that looks pretty good. Nice. And done. Okay, we're tearing this garage down, so this plywood is coming off. Want to give it a good kick, Al? Oh, okay. Don't hit my car. And so you can see how the garage is going to look very different, because obviously it's not going to have this kind of height. We're going to take all this framing off. Good job. And that's what we're doing next. Starting to look different.